What is going on, guys? It's your boy Miguel here again. Welcome to Boost and Redline, and you are in the right place because today we have two more boxes to open up. I'm very excited to share these with you guys. I was really looking for these to arrive because, as you can see here, giving you a quick hint, we're talking about some very crucial parts for the build, and I cannot wait to show you guys what they're all about, okay? So without further ado, let's dive into it. So if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, you guys, and make sure you like this video. You do not want to miss any of the upcoming videos for the Duramax build. Now, if you've been with the channel for a long time here, you've known that we have been wanting to lift the truck, get some bigger tires, bigger wheel setup on there. And so with that in mind, we definitely need to upgrade the suspension components. And with that being said, that may just be what the content inside these boxes are all about. So let's go ahead and start with this one box here first. Let's see what this puppy here is all about. I am like a little kid in Christmas morning, just opening all these boxes. Super excited, you guys, to share with you. So the first one that we have is this one box right here from Moog. Okay, and we are looking at the Pitman arm. Okay, so we are going to be upgrading the Pitman arm on the truck. Also, the idler arm is going to be arriving here in the next few days, so you'll be seeing that as well. But I mean, this is a very heavy part here, and I definitely wanted to spare no cost on these because this is certainly gonna make a difference on the new setup. All right, check out Moog for a second, you guys. So they make NASCAR performance parts, and they're gonna be in the Duramax build. Not too shabby. Go ahead and put that aside here for just a second. Let's see what else we got. This next one that I got here for you guys, this one I'm very excited about because this one's gonna make a huge difference. A little bit of a heavier box. Oh, here we go. All right, give you guys a little sneak peek. That's right, we're talking about some PPE parts on here. Let's go ahead and crack in there to find out what type of parts we're talking about. All right, here we go, you guys. Here we go. Are you ready? Bam! This is what we're talking about, guys. We are talking about the heavy duty tie rods from PPE. Oh my goodness. Take a look at these guys. They are certainly no joke. They are hardcore as can be. Like, no kidding. This is a solid like 15 pound probably. So this is pretty good. So big shout out to JW Montoya. I've seen these be put on his build. Also big shout out to Truckmaster. I'm pretty sure I saw him put these on his truck as well, and I'll be putting a link to their videos down in the description. You guys go make sure you check those out. But these tie rods here, they are very nice. Let me go ahead and take the other one out here so I can show you really quick. Man, even this nylon is heavy duty nylon. I can even open it up with my hand. Bam, take a look at that. Take a good look at that, you guys. Talk about some heavy duty tie rods. Brand spanking new, and I cannot wait to put these on the truck. They are gonna go really handy with the lift that we're getting put on. So if you guys are ready, I am definitely ready. Let's go check out what's in this other box right here. Okay, now this one is from Cognito Motorsports. So what could possibly be inside this box? Go ahead and let me know. Drop a guess down in the comments right before I open the box and see if you're correct. All right, so this one is also a bit of a heavy box here. We're dealing with truck parts. I mean, of course it's gonna be a heavy box. I need to stop saying that. Pretty obvious, right? The way you open this one up is by taking off the staples here. So this is definitely a very good seal box. Okay, so props to Cognito because this box I can tell is sealed pretty good. Ooh, okay. Okay, I might have to set this back in the table, you guys. May not be able to unbox it on my lap. Give me 1 second here. I'll be right back. Taking out this styrofoam right here, and and bam, these look good. Man, they are nice. So you're gonna be the first ones to take a peek at this unboxing I'm doing here for the channel. So you guys saw it first, okay? The Cognito open control arms. These are gonna be going on the truck soon. Come here, you guys. Let me give you a close up. Take a good look at these, you guys. Look at those. That's right, baby. We're talking about some Cognito open control arms with the ball joint and everything. These are upgraded heavy duty ones, and we definitely went with the Cognito UCA's open control arms. So after looking at these for hours and hours and hours on the internet, finally decided to get these. Get a good look, you guys. Take a look at these open control arms. These are gonna look very sexy in the truck build, especially with that Cognito logo right there. I was debating for a long time here, and I'll be honest with you, I was debating between the Zone open control arms. I've seen JW Montoya is running those, Truck Masters also running those. I actually want to give a shout out to Bertrand A50 because he is definitely running some Cognito open control arm. His are part of his Cognito lift, and his actually run with dual Fox shocks. Mine will not, but nevertheless some very sexy upper control arms. I'll leave a link for all these channels in the description, you guys. Make sure you go ahead and check them out. As for the ball joint here, guys, this is some heavy duty stuff. Let me go ahead and at least show you one of them, and then you be the judge. Now I also looked into brands like Kryptonite, and I mean, I was really undecisive because I was hearing feedback, good feedback from both for the most part. But take a look at this upgraded ball joint. This is definitely going to be a game changer. Check out the thickness there. This is definitely going to make a huge difference on the truck build. Here is the rest of the kit with the other upper control arm, and of course all the components with all the nuts, and bolts and whatnot that go with it. This is what's at the bottom of the box. I am definitely very excited. I cannot wait for these to be on the truck. Please let me know in the comments below if you like these type of videos, like the unboxings and all that. I get time to do these at night when I get home from work, so if you definitely enjoy these, let me know in the comments so I can make sure I do more of these for you now and in the coming future. And hopefully you enjoy this small little unboxing here. What's going on, guys? We are at Tampa Off-Road Wheels and Tires, and looking into perhaps doing a thing or two to my truck, so you definitely want to stay tuned for that. But let's check out some of the madness that they have out here in the lot. So we got some Jeeps out there for the most part. Now there's some sickness going on here in the back. There's a nice Expedition here, lifted, nice front bumper there, road armor. Nice thick tires, Fox shocks. Look at this other Jeep right here. Alright, take a look at this one. This one right here. The best one of the bunch. No, I'm just kidding. Take a look at the before, because you're definitely going to be seeing an after for sure. Alright, let's take a look. Look at this guy. I want to show you this big behemoth here. Look at that. So when was the last time that you guys went off-roading this bad? Look at this thing. This thing's professionally a monster truck, like no kidding. You can see the weeds over here, the suspension components and everything, and all the mud everywhere. Look at the size of these tires. I mean, these tires are as big as me, probably. There's mud everywhere else, so you know these people are not messing around. Very nice piece of machinery. So this is stuff that you dream about when you're a kid, and some people are making it a reality. I mean, I'm definitely have to crawl through the tire there to just make it to the wheel there, be able to get into the truck. The thing is massive. Look at that. That is ridiculously big. So why don't we do that to my truck, right? Nah, I'm just kidding. That would be way too much. Way too much. I also got a chance to meet Jerry from Crawl TV. I'll leave a link down in the description for you guys. That is his YouTube channel right there. And let me know in the comments below if you would like Jerry and I to do a little bit of a collab here. I'll tell you what, his Jeep definitely looks very, very nice. First thing that I saw when I walked in, this thing is very, very cool. I like the touches, the all the design going on, the color and everything. Now look at this thing. This thing is raw to look at. I like everything about it, down to the detail. That fish hook over there, very nice. Wilmore brake, because you know, look at this thing. Look at the detail there. Is that a hand holding onto the tail light? Skeleton. Definitely built, not bought. That's what I'm talking about. Look at the size of these tires. Nice cool detail there. Show you some more of the interior details. Check out the front here. Thing is massive. Massive. Nice Cherokee Classic. Definitely fitted for off-road. The LED lights everywhere, even on the headlights. Look pretty sick. Eat Sleep Jeep, that's what I'm talking about. Very, very nice. Extra tire on the top there. And man, these people are taking their business really, really serious. So some very nice cars going on here. Nice trucks, off-road vehicles. That's what I'm talking about. On this other Jeep right here, I like the color, some dark green. Not sure what they're doing to it. Another Jeep, because of course this is the house of Jeeps here at Tampa Off-Roading. Very, very nice. Here's a classic. Shows you guys a little bit of a classic Toyota Land Cruiser. Very, very nice. How about that off-road life? Oh, it's for sale. How about that? You got an extra 18 grand laying around. Make sure to check this puppy out, okay? Even got some nice Harleys out here. How about that? Nice chrome and sparkly red paint. Some nice choppers. Now this is right on Hillsborough here, one of the main streets in Tampa, so that's where you hear all that noise coming from. That's Hillsborough there, and I've been driving by this place time after time until I finally got a chance to pop by and check what these guys are all about. Very pleased with the customer service and the whole experience, so you guys stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned, because there may be some stuff coming up here that you would not want to miss. Got some other new boxes today. Just wanted to tease you a little bit here before I do an unboxing in the channel on the upcoming videos. I am gonna give you a little bit of a clue right here as to what is coming, so you have an idea, and definitely prepare yourself. And just a little FYI, you would not want to miss the upcoming videos, so I can show you what's inside these boxes. Are you having fun over there?
Cover the hole before he falls in.
Oh,
Cover that hole. Hurry.
cover this hole?
Yes.
Okay, cover the hole. What is this guy doing? Hey buddy, what are you doing? Are you having fun? Look at you.
Good covering it.
You're such a tiny little bitty kitty. Come here.
He's discovering the world.
Look at this little tiny kitty, you guys. We actually are fostering this guy just for a couple days. Actually, not a couple days, for a couple weeks, probably a month and a half. All you do is meow, and all you do is drink milk. Come on, just be curious. Go do something fun.
He's hungry.
Yeah. He's hungry like 99% of the time.
He already ate.
So what good is there to have a spare tire if it also has a lump in it? So that is first world problems right there. And this guy right here, he's first world problems too. Hopefully you enjoyed this small little unboxing here, and